Hello! In this video I unbox and set up Canon inkjet multifunctional printer. I show the following, and for the detailed product review check the video in the upper right corner. European model PIXMA TS7550i is used in the video. First I show the dimensions of the box and then the dimensions of the device. This PIXMA series may have the following names in different countries. Let me first show what is in the box after unboxing. In the next minute I unbox PIXMA step by step. The product is sustainably packed with molded paper. Let's see what's on PIXMA leaflet. You can join Canon Club for additional benefits, and then you find information about compatible paper and mobile apps. Some of these apps are not available anymore. About Canon Print app you learn later in the video. After unboxing, the waste is only paper. Easier to recycle. Unboxing is finished, and in the next part I set up the printer. First I remove the orange materials. Plug in the power cable and turn on the printer for the first time. I scroll through the display languages and then set to English and install the inks. If you print more than 100 pages per month, then for the low ink cost I recommend one of the PIXMA G series models in the upper right corner. The inks have been installed. Close the cover. Next step is auto printhead alignment, which is recommended for the proper quality. I load the A4 plain paper in the paper cassette. About 2 minutes later, the alignment pattern is printed and printhead is aligned. Printer setup has been finished. In the next part, I connect the printer to local Wi-Fi network. As I set up new printer, I can see in the Wi-Fi settings the printer hotspot. If you do not see the hotspot, then press and hold the connect button on the operational panel. The printer connects to the local network to which my mobile device has already been connected, so I do not need to type any network password. About a minute later, the printer is connected and you can see the icon on the printer screen. Do not miss the next part with Canon Print App information. Download the Canon Print App and register the printer. 2 PIXMA printers are already registered in my app, and I add the TS7550 series. Let's do a quick document print for a test. I also recommend downloading Easy Photo Print Editor, which is available for PC or Mac too for printing photos, find in the upper right corner. Also, other print services such as AirPrint or Mopria are supported. In the next part I show about managing the printer. Let's log in to printer information page. Tap the printer icon. I skip the initial survey and select printer information page. I will use easy authentication method, and authentication is required only for the first time. Here is the printer information page where you can set up everything about the printer. Select utilities for printer maintenance. And then in the security settings, you can find recommended security scenarios for different environments. For detailed counters, select records of use. As my printer is new, only one page has been printed so far. Firmware can be checked and display language can be changed. There is more about Canon Print App, the icons can be customized and cloud connection is easier than ever. See about one of the cloud services called Scan and Save in the upper right corner video. Find more information about PIXMA from the Get the Most Out of Your Printer in the online manuals, which can be accessed from Canon Print App as well. I put on screen the supported downloadable software. Find more from another model in the upper right corner, as software is same for all models. And that would be all in this video. Find more about printers on my channel, and if you found the video helpful, please feel free to subscribe as it is free and helps me to grow the channel and create more content. Thank you for watching and sharing. Bye.